presenting a Growing Little Ones video.
Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol! We need your help in the jungle! What is it, Tracker? How can we help? We have all sorts of animals that showed up, and they're lost. They need help finding their way back home. Oh no! Don't worry, we can help. We'll help all those animals find their way back home. Paw Patrol, we're on a roll. We'll be there in a minute, Tracker. Hey everybody! In our fun story for today, our animals are going to be Squeezamals. And I was so excited when they sent us all these Squeezamals to share with you. And not only are they super squishy, squish squish, but they're slow rising. Look at that. Squish him down, and he rises. Ta-da! And also, they are scented, so they smell really, really good. One more time. Ta-da! Now, let's get back to our story and help the Paw Patrol find homes for all of these awesome animals. Let's get started. Woohoo! Squeezamals! Paw Patrol, Chase is here. And Marshall. We're ready to go to the jungle and help Tracker. We heard there was trouble, and we are here. Thank you, Paw Patrol. What good pups. Tracker said that there are animals in the jungle that have lost their way and need to find their way home. There's a pig. Does a pig belong in the jungle? No. We have to help him find his home. And there are animals like a penguin in the jungle. Does he belong in the jungle? No. We have to help him find his way home. Do you know where a penguin belongs? We'll figure it out. Let's get on the way to Tracker. Boom, boom. Here's the first group of animals. We have a pig. Oink, oink, oink. We have a sheep. Bah, bah. And we have a little chicken. Tweet, 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 tweet. And we've got a bunny rabbit. Aw, so cute. They need to find their way back home. Do you know where these animals belong? We've got a rabbit, a chicken, a sheep, and a pig. Where do they belong? They belong on the farm. I'll call the farmer. He'll know where to take them. Good job. Ruff, ruff. Here's the farmer, Mr. John Deere. And he's got his tractor ready to take the animals. All right, Mr. Piggy, let's go up in the tractor. He sounds happy to be going home. Here's the sheep. All right, he's gonna take him to the farm. Beep, beep. Now he's coming back for the other two. Here's his little chicken. Tweet, 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 tweet. And his bunny rabbit. Aw, what a sweet bunny. Going to the farm. We'll see you there. Chase, we're at the farm with Mr. John Deere. And here are his animals. Squeezamals. They are super cute. We love these squishy Squeezamals. Squeezamals. Woohoo! Look how slow they rise up. These are some cool squishy animals. All right, go back and get the other two. Boom, boom. Now it's time to find their place in the barn. Where should the animals go? Let's put the little piggy down here. There we go. And the little bunny can go up here. Here's our sheep. There you go, sweetie. You're at home. And our little chicken. Woohoo! We found a home for all the farm animals. Yay! Way to go, Chase! You did such a good job finding a home for the farm animals. But hurry back to the jungle. There are more animals. They're so lost. Woof, woof. I'm on my way. Bye, farm animals. Woof, woof. Can you help Tracker with the second batch of animals? Woof, woof. You know I can. I'll help him right away. This is the second batch. We have 4 animals that don't belong in the jungle. We need your help finding their new home. We have a panda. He's super squishy and he smells so sweet. But he does not belong in the jungle. This Squeezamal is a fox and he's super squishy and smells so sweet, but does not belong in the jungle. We have Pepper the penguin, and she wants to go home. And last, we have an owl. An owl doesn't belong in the jungle. She needs to go home. Don't worry, we'll get them home. I know a train that will take them to the zoo, and they can have a comfy place to live at the zoo. Yay! That sounds wonderful. When will the train be here? I hear it right now. Choo-choo! Chugga, chugga, chugga. Choo-choo! This train is headed to the zoo. All aboard! We've got an owl and a penguin. Here's our fox and our panda. Let's take these animals home. Lead the way, Marshall. Woof, woof. Time to go. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Choo-choo. We're at the zoo. Choo-choo. Let's see if we can find these animals a safe place to stay. First up, we've got the panda. Pandas like bamboo. So let's see if we can find a grassy spot for the panda. This looks like a perfect place, Panda. You've got lots of bamboo and a safe place to stay. Good job, Marshall. Ruff, ruff. All right, next we have the sweet little fox. Where can she stay? Let's look. Foxes like to hide. They often have dens. I wonder if this would work. This looks like a nice safe den where she can hide and sleep. Night-night, Fox. We'll see you in the morning. Penguins like it cold and they like ice and snow. Look up here. I see some snow. This penguin even has an ice slide. Whee! What fun! We've got snow and ice. It's perfect. There you go, penguin. I'm glad we could find your home. Last, we have an owl. Owls like to sit high up in the trees, and they have really good eyesight for seeing down below. Do you think we can find this owl's home? Let's look. There we go. This is perfect. She can sit up in the tree and watch down below. Woo! It's even a swing, so she can have fun. Way to go, Marshall. You did such a good job finding a home for these animals. Yay! We've got one more batch of animals, and then we'll be done. I wonder who it could be. The last batch of animals that are lost is a kitty cat and a dog. Aww! I wonder where a kitty cat and a puppy dog belong. Do you know? They don't belong in the jungle. I think I know where they could find a home. Could they find a home with a person in a house and be their special kitty cat and puppy dog? Let's find out. Load up, kitty cat. I think I know the perfect place for you. Load up, puppy dog. We're going to find you a home. Beep, beep. Here we are at a very special home. We've got a kitty cat and a puppy dog for a little girl and boy who live here. Beep, beep. My little girl and my little boy will be so excited to have the new pets. A pet kitty and a pet puppy. Thank you so much, Paw Patrol, for bringing them here. We will love them forever. You're welcome. I hope you're happy, puppy and kitty. Enjoy your new home. Ruff, ruff. Paw Patrol out. I loved getting to share these cool Squeezamals. And not only are they super squishy, like that, but they smell really good. Each one is scented. So these are really neat little pets. And they all have names, and you can collect them all. Look at that. Super, super cute. And we got these from a company, and they sent them to us for free so that we could share them with you. Squishy squish. See how slow they rise up? They're the only plush toys that are also squishy toys that are on the market right now. So that is really, really cool. Lots of fun. I hope you had fun watching this video. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.